Good morning, it's Ryan here from TT. You joined me out on the river this morning, just chasing some flatties on the flats. It's the last of the run out tide, so they should be funneling off the banks and down into the deeper water. Let's see if we can find a few. Cheers guys. Alrighty, so we've got a nice flat drain off into the deep here. Bit of a corner. I do love fishing just on this corner here as the water flows out, comes down, creates a little bit of a pressure point. Find the flatties do sit around here. There's also a little bit of weed and so forth. So just throw this 2.5 inch ZMan prawn around. Nice and lightly rigged this morning. Let's see if we can't find ourselves a flatty or maybe even a bream. You do get tailor, trevally, some dewy up this way. So yeah, let's see what we can find, eh? Oh, first cast. First cast little flatty. Oh, now it's going to be a cracking session when you get a flatty first cast. Look at that. Yoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Oh, how good's that? And he's absolutely swallowed it. Alrighty, so we've got a nice little dusky here. He's probably mid-40s. He's all lit up, and look at that, he is absolutely scoffed that 2.5 inch ZMan prawns in beer run this morning. Nice natural colour, rigged on a Bloodworm 1/8 size 2 jighead. Love that really small finesse hook. Just, yeah, seems to pin him really nicely. So all right, let's get him back in the water. Alright guys, well the sun is up now. It's about 10 o'clock in the morning. Tide's flooding in and I've moved over to an old faithful, the Blood Oil ST Grub 2.5 inch from ZMan on that Finesse head again, same as I've been fishing all morning. And I find this one to be a great presentation. As I said, it is the September school holidays. There is extra pressure on the water. So we've gone to presentation that will get that reaction bite, and we've also gone to a little Okuma SX combo, and it's got some 4-pound straight through Platypus pulse mono. Very translucent in the water, so that'll give us the best chance in pressured water. So let's chuck it around and see if I can't catch a few fish, eh? Nice. Nice little bream. Alrighty. Nice little brimbo. Taking on the Blood Oil ST Grub. Just flicking along these weed edges here. Tide's incoming now, so it's just flowing over the flats onto these weed edges, and these guys are just sitting there having a bit of a feed. UV painted jigheads. The 1/8 size 2 Finesse. Get it done. Very nice. No, little Brembo. So it might be slightly better. Oh, he's trying to get back in into the weed. Very nice. Oh, we got one. Oh no, who dropped it? Come on, little fella. There he is, right there. Oh no, I do have one. Wow, well, there you go. I don't know whether I caught that on film, but I have a micro whiting and I had 40cm flathead. Come up and try and eat it.
Oh, we got one. Oh no, he dropped it. Come on, little fella.
There you go. Everything eats a grub, including a 10cm whiting. Let's get him back in the water. Yep, that's better. Finally got something to commit. It's not huge. It's not huge, but it's a flatty. That's a nice flatty straight into the net. Beautiful. There we go. Nice little flatty on the 2.5-inch ZMan prawns in Beer Run. Alright, so we just removed that flatty and yeah, just applying some more Procure. I'd only just applied the Procure before I caught that flatty. Yeah, it gives me more confidence when I'm throwing a bait, so yeah, definitely add it. Saltwater Yabby Nipper is the flavour for today. Alright, let's get this back in the water, catch another one. Alrighty guys, well that finishes up our session for today. We did catch some fish. There was a couple of boats and a couple of kayakers were joining us on the water this morning in the same spots. It does get pretty heavily fished, this area that I do fish, my local system. But we still managed to catch some fish. Got quite a few cod, a couple of flatties and a real mixed bag, so very happy to still grab that many fish when there was extra pressure on the water. The wind did get up a little bit earlier than expected, but yeah, we worked some weed edges, some rubbly ground, and we still found plenty of fish. So thank you very much for joining me. If you do have any questions about anything, please reach out on my socials. I'll try and get back to as many people as possible, and yeah, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Cheers guys.